The scientific method is like a secret code that scientists use to uncover the mysteries of the natural world. But guess what? You can be a scientist too. It's not just for people in lab coats. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the scientific method, using a life sciences example that's easy to understand. Step 1. Ask a question. Every scientific adventure begins with a question. Imagine asking, why do plants grow toward the light? Or what makes our hearts beat? Questions are the first spark in the scientific method. Step 2. Do your research. Now, it's time to become a detective of the natural world. Search for information and research related to your question. Find out what scientists already know and what they're still curious about. Step 3. Form a hypothesis. Think of a hypothesis as an educated guess. It's like making a prediction based on what you've learned so far. For instance, if you're curious about plants growing toward the light, your hypothesis might be, plants grow toward the light to capture more sunlight for photosynthesis. Step 4. Conduct an experiment. Here comes the exciting part, experimenting. Design an experiment to test your hypothesis. For our plant question, you could place a plant in sunlight and another in the dark and observe their growth. Remember to change only one thing at a time. Step 5. Collect and analyze data. While conducting your experiment, record what happens. This data is like the pieces of a puzzle. Organize it using charts, graphs, or tables to see if there's a pattern or a change. Step 6. Draw a conclusion. After analyzing your data, it's time to draw conclusions. Does your data support your hypothesis? If it does, great. If not, that's perfectly okay. Science is all about learning and exploring, even when things don't go as expected. Step 7. Share your discoveries. Scientists love to share what they've learned, and so can you. Tell your friends, classmates, or even your teacher about your findings. Sharing your discoveries helps others learn and can spark their curiosity too. In summary, the scientific method is your passport to exploring the wonders of life sciences. Whether you're in a high school science class or just curious about the natural world, you can follow these steps to investigate and uncover the secrets of life. So, start with a question, dive into the scientific method, and get ready to unlock nature's hidden treasures, one experiment at a time.